We started a little lavender field back in 2018, 4 years ago. Kind of struggled through winters and learning different things, but we've managed to grow a little lavender field in Nebraska. This is Nebraska. You can grow anything in Nebraska, right? That's not necessarily true. Lavender's a Mediterranean plant. It doesn't like anything we have about Nebraska. So we did some research. We found a specialized plant that was bred specifically for this area. It adapts to higher humidity a lot better. It adapts to colder temperatures a lot better. And it's called Phenomenal. And this is the main one we grow. It gets about 3 feet in size by its 3rd year. And it lasts for about 15 to 20 years. Lavender hates Nebraska, basically. It likes dry, rocky soils. It likes low rain, no fertilizer, all the opposite of what we have here. So we had to do a lot of amending to the soil. When we first planted, we added some limestone to get limestone dust to get the pH right. We added some limestone rock or some pea-sized rock. You never want to add sand to clay soil or you'll get cement, so you got to get a little bit bigger rock in there. We also added some old horse manure to kind of give a little bit of better drainage to the soil. So we've got the limestone rock and the horse manure for the drainage. That really helps keep the lavender from getting wet feet. What lavender doesn't love is having their roots sit in standing water or still water. They get root rot. They're very susceptible to root rot, and that mainly is what kills most lavender plants in Nebraska. A lot of people can't grow lavender in Nebraska because they overwater it, and that's usually a lot of the times I find what the issue is. The other main issue is our winters. They don't love our winters. They like dry, warm climates. So we've found a variety in Phenomenal and a few other English varieties that we grow that will be able to withstand the temperatures down to about 20 below. And then we always use row covers, which is a heavy duty like blanket almost that we put over the top of the plants going into winter, and that protects them again up to about 10 more degrees. So those are some of the main issues. We really don't have issues with deer or rabbits or bugs too much. None of that stuff really likes lavender. We specialized in another kind of niche. I mean, we're a niche market of lavender in Nebraska as it is, but then another niche we specialize, all we grow is culinary lavender. So lavender is an herb akin to rosemary in the mint family. So it can be used for all sorts of baking and cooking and all sorts of things. So we do the culinary lavender. We also have all sorts of bed and bath products. So candles and lotions and soaps and just many different things, pillow mists, all sorts of fun things that you can use around the house, on your body, for perfume, for scents, for just smelling wonderful and relaxing with the lavender. So.